So, using the ticker tape timer. What is a ticker tape timer? The ticker tape timer is also another way to record motion. In the ticker tape timer, we have a paper tape. The paper tape is either pulled by hand or attached to a trolley on a slope so that it moves towards the bottom and pulls the tape. So the paper tape is either pulled by hand or attached to a trolley on a slope so that it moves down towards the bottom and pulls the tape. So when the paper tape is pulled, it passes through a ticker tape timer which punches carbon dots on the tape at regular intervals. Together, the dots on the tape form a complete record of the motion of the trolley. The further apart the dots, the faster the trolley is moving. So here we have some examples of these. So this one shows a constant speed but a fast speed. So as you can see, in this one we have some closer dots over here and the dots just get further apart as it moves over here. So this is an example of acceleration. Trolley speeds has increased. And this one is also an example because the dots are so close over here at this point, and as it moves along, they get further and further away from each other. So the speed is increasing. So if the tape is chopped up into 5 or 4 dot space sections, and the sections are put side by side in order, like this, the result is a chart like this one. The chart is the shape of a speed time graph. So the lengths of the sections represent speeds because the trolley travels further in each second as its speed increases. Side by side, the sections provide a time scale because each section starts 1 second after the one before. The acceleration of the trolley can be found from measurements on the tape. This is how we use the ticker tape timer to record the motion of a trolley. Now let's move ahead on to understanding free fall.